Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, my name is Dina Kamilia. I'm from class 11 Vocational Engineering Network Nata Islamic Boarding School. In this occasion, I would like to present about my article, The Phenomenon of Juvenile Delinquency and Its Handling. Stay tuned on my channel and check this out. Remaja merupakan aset depan suatu bangsa. Namun saat ini banyak sekali yang terjadi pada diri remaja, seperti narkoba dan geng motor. Hal ini merupakan masalah yang sudah tidak asing lagi. Kenakalan remaja meliputi semua perilaku yang menyimpang dari norma-norma hukum pidana yang dilakukan oleh remaja. Banyak sekali faktor internal dan eksternal penyebab kenakalan remaja yang perlu diperhatikan. Untuk mengatasinya, maka bimbingan dari orang tua dan juga lingkungan yang baik bisa menjadi penentu bagi perkembangan remaja tersebut. The Phenomenon of Juvenile Delinquency and Its Handling, Muhammad Stephen Chow, SPD. Juvenile is a period of transition from childhood to adolescence and into adulthood. A teenager can no longer be said to be a child, but he is still not mature enough to be called an adult. He is looking for the most suitable lifestyle for him, and this often done by trying new things he is familiar with, even though he has made many mistakes. His mistakes often cause worry and unpleasant feeling for his environment, his parents. Mistakes made by teenagers will only please themselves and their peers. This is because they are all still in the process of searching for their identities. Errors that cause environmental irritation are often referred to as juvenile delinquency. In addition to encouraging this with the positive, active, and achievement achieved by young people in recent time, as well as the causing carried out by student and student organization. We also see that the current of moral decline that's increasingly engulfing some young people, as who are often known as juvenile delinquency. In the news, in the print and television media, we often find news about student fake distribution of narcotic, liquor, murder, and other theft committed by children in their then, as well as increasing case of pregnancy among young women, and so on. Therefore, the problem of juvenile delinquency should get serious and focus attention to direct adolescents in a more positive direction. The aim of which is to create a system in tackling delinquency in the community among teenagers. Discussion definition. Juvenile delinquency is all change in the attitude or behavior of teenagers 10 years old that are contrary to public order, search for value and norms, which are aimed at people, animals, and goods that can cause harm or harm to other parties. Juvenile delinquency includes all behavior that deviates from the norms of criminal law committed by juveniles. Such behavior will harm himself and those around him. According to Covan in Wales in his book entitled Juvenile Delinquency, states that juvenile delinquency is a disorder in children and adults can to fulfill some obligation expected of them by their social environment. Juvenile delinquency is an act or crime or violation committed by a juvenile that is against the law, anti-social, anti-moral, and violates religious norms. Juvenile delinquency occurs because it is influenced by two factors, namely internal and external factors. Internal factor in the form of identity crisis and weak self-control, while external factor come from the family environment, the surrounding environment, and the place of education. It can be concluded the juvenile delinquency is an act crime or violation committed by juvenile which is against the law, antisocial, antimoral, and violates religious norms. 2. Cause of juvenile delinquency. The cause juvenile delinquency in general can be grouped into two factors, namely as follows. Internal factor. A. Personality factor. Personality is a dynamic organization in the psychosomatic system within the individual which also determines his unique way of adapting himself to his environment, usually called his psychic character. Adolescence is said to be a dangerous period. In this period, a person leaves childhood to enter adulthood. This period is felt as an identity crisis because there is no drive, while mental personality is to avoid the emergence of juvenile delinquency or deviant behavior. B. Physical condition factor. This factor can include in terms of disability or not physically and in terms of gender. There is a theory that explains the link between physical disability and deviant behavior. Although this theory has not been well tested in real life. According to this theory, a person who is experiencing a physical disability tends to have a sense of disappointment with his life condition. This disappointment, if this not accompanied by the provision of guidance, will cause the sufferer to tend to violate the order of living together as a manifestation of disappointment with his body condition. A. Status factor and rules in society. A child has defects from the applicable law after completing the legal sanction process getting out of prison. Often when he returns to society, the status or designation a convict given by the community is the first to erase so that the guilt return to deviant action. Law because the feel rejects and alienates external factor. E. Family environment condition. Especially in big cities in Indonesia, the younger generation whose parents are busy with business activity often experience an inner emptiness because of the lack of direct guidance and affection from their parents. The condition of parents who are of direct guidance and affection from their parents. The condition of parents who are more concrete with cares than attention to their children will lead to the emergence of deviant behavior towards their children. Juvenile delinquency cases that appear in rich families are not due to a lack of material needs but because of a lack of parental attention and love for their children. B. Poor or less effective social contact from community institutions. If the supervision system of social institution of society on the behavior pattern of young people is not running well, it will lead the deviation from the prevailing values and norms. For example, it is easy to tolerate the action of young people who deviates from applicable law or norms, such as drinking, which is considered normal. Acts of fighting between young people are considered normal. This lack of firmness in dealing with deviant behavior will further increase the quantity and quality of deviant acts among young people. C. Geographical condition or natural physical condition. The arid, dry, and barren natural condition can also cause action that deviates from the applicable norms, especially if the individual has a negative mentality, for example, committing acts of death and disturbing public order on conflicts with motives for giving over economic interests. The factor of economy disparity and political disintegration. The economic gap between the rich and the poor will easily lead to social jealousy, and this form of social jealousy can manifest acts of vandalism, death, and robbery. Political disintegration, including the occurrence of conflict between political parties, of the occurrence of wars between groups and civil wars, can affect the passage of the danger, which can lead to defense action. Factor of such sociocultural change. Technology developments in various fields, especially in communication and entertainment technology, that accelerate the flow of virgin culture that enter will grades out feel the behavior pattern of children to be less good. Moreover, the child is not mentally and morally ready, or his religious insight is still low to easy do things that defeat from the order of value and norms that apply. 4. Behaviors that constitute juvenile delinquency. A. The arsenal of that includes the act of telling lies and being dishonest. B. Fight between students, including brawls between students. C. Disturbing friends both at school and the surrounding environment. D. Hostile to parents and siblings, including acts of rude and disrespectful words to parents and siblings. E. Smoking and coming home late at the night or staying up late. F. Watching inappropriate videos or print media. G. Do the loans walls and other facility in the school. H. Ditching and driving undragged vehicles without helmets and participating in wheel race. I. Always be breaking the rules. 5. Efforts to overcome juvenile delinquency. The following solution in the context of dealing with juvenile delinquency. J. Conclusion. Juvenile delinquency includes all behavior that differs from the norms of criminal law committed by juvenile. Such behavior will harm himself and thus around him. The factor behind the causes of juvenile delinquency can be grouped into internal factor and external factor. Internal factor in the form of identity crisis and weak self-control, while external factor in the form of lack of attention from parents, influence of Western culture and association with peers, and place of education to overcome this. The teenager must be able to get as many adult figures as possible who have themselves after previously failing at this stage. The existence of motivation from family, teacher, pressures, that can be also able to overcome juvenile delinquency. The solution in dealing with delinquency can be divided into 3, namely: 1. Preventive action, namely action to anticipate the occurrence of juvenile delinquency. 2. Repressive action, namely giving strict sanction to juvenile delinquents. 3. Corrective and rehabilitation measures, namely change the behavior of juvenile offenders by providing more education.